Welcome. In front of me is a iPhone 11, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device using iTunes. So before we get started, there is two things that we will need. And number one is, well, obviously iTunes. And if you're using Windows, you will need to download it, assuming you don't have it, from Apple website. And if you're using a Mac for this, you don't need to really do it. It's already installed on the device or on the computer. And then the second thing we'll need is the cable that you use for charging. Plug it into the computer that you will be using. So I already have mine plugged into the computer that you can see right here. And once that's ready, all you need to do is just plug it in the device. Give it a moment, it should show up like right here. So there it is. And from here, all you need to do is just tap on the Restore iPhone. Now there is one thing. Once you press it, get a message, you can back up or don't back up. I'm just going to select not to back up, then select Restore. When you're doing this for the first time, it will actually need to download the iOS version, the newest one. And if you're like behind, I was previously on this device behind, so I needed to get iTunes needed to basically download this one. Otherwise, I cannot proceed with the process on the computer, at least side. On the phone, you can still do it without actually updating, but on the computer, you're beaten over the head with updating to the newest one, and without it, you can't do it. So as you can see now, the process is going on. It's extracting software, then it's going to start installing and doing all that stuff. And once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the setup of the phone. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. As you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device. So on the computer, you would want to set it up as new and get started. And we can just simply unplug the device. It's not really needed anymore to go to the setup. So I'm gonna go through it really quickly. Choose a language. Disregard the low battery. Set up manually, and then let's go next, continue. Set up later. Don't use it. Don't use. Nope, continue, agree. And we're done. So that is how you would perform a hard reset of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.